Alright, y'all, what's good, man? As you can tell, my hair is looking crazy. I still got the double twists in. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna take these twists out. But as you can see, I got one dread that fell out here. So what I'm gonna do is, you see these two I have right here. Next time I go to my loctician, I'm gonna get her to cut this one off, and then join it over here. So it's always clutch to have these two twins. So like, say you got one dread that's getting thin, you want to join it onto another dread, cause worst case it is gonna fall off because it's getting too thin. So join it to save it, and then you may need it again when one falls off. Don't just throw your dreads away. I know some people throw their dreads away, but you never know, man. When you put a dread onto one that fell off, sometimes it stays on and it locks in. So that's just a little tip from me. Like I said, my hair looking crazy right now. Not the best hair day, but my growth is crazy. Oh, and another way to break double twists instead of using a comb is you grab it from this, like the back, you pull it through like this, and then where the rubber bands is, where they usually put it, where usually your loctician is gonna put the rubber band at the end. So then you just break it, see, and it might stay on here. You just pull that part off. That's like the quick way. But if you can't get it off, always use a comb. And another thing is, the longer you leave your double twist in, or any style, it grows your hair. And it also make it easier to take them out, like take the style out, because the rubber bands get like rot, like they're starting to rot. So it's easy to like pop them. Whether than when they're new, they're hard to like pop off. So right here, I'm gonna show y'all a prime example. So you grab it from the You see how I'm grabbing it from the roots right here? So I unravel it. Sometimes it may be a little stubborn. Just keep unraveling. And then when you get to the end where the rubber band is, you just pop it. See? It's way easier. So this is what it looked like, man. I will say, wait, May, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. So I'm 2 years and about to be 2 months. So 2 years and 2 months. This is what 2 years and 2 months look like. I can't wait to update y'all on my 5th year. My 5th. See, this hair right here is annoying me. So I can't wait to cut my twins out. I call them twins. Where they at? Right here. Wait. Dreads are so fun. Like once you get your dreads, you gonna find like every dread is different. Every dread means something to you, you know. But I'm gonna have to. I can't find them right now. But they in there. They're like, nah, don't cut me. Oh, there they go. See? My twins right there. You gonna find it. You gonna find dreads that's your favorite. I got one back here. This. I call this the babysitter. I mean, you gonna find dreads, you know, that you gonna come up with names for. I call this the babysitter. You know, got the mama and the junior just hanging on. She taking care of him. You know, you gonna find your dreads that you like, you know, that I guess it's just me. Like I just find names for my dreads. But yeah, it's cool, man. 2 years and 2 months, looking good so far. Y'all stay tuned for my next update. My next update on my hair will be me getting it braided. I'ma actually record it. I'ma ask my loctician, can I record it? If she will let me record it just for you guys. So I hope y'all started y'all dread journey, man. Hit me up on Instagram. My Instagram will be below. Hit me up about questions. I had a couple questions. People DM me about their dreads. This was my little tips and tricks on how to grow your hair faster, how to you know, change, like replace one dread. One thing I don't want y'all to do, man. Do not, if a dread, this is gonna happen. It happen to everybody. If a dread fall out, sometimes I wake up and one of my dreads is on my pillow. Don't freak out, bruh. Just I'm sure if you have a professional loctician, she could sew it back in. So don't freak out. Don't throw it away. Get it sewed back in. Important. Because you never know if that dread, if you sew it back in and it locks. Once it locks, it's time to grow. You feel me? The one thing you want to do is get it to lock. You know, if it falls out again, fine. Don't give up. Never give up, man. Keep sewing it in. But yeah, y'all subscribe if y'all new. I'm sure y'all know where I started from. Like my dreads was goddamn. But y'all subscribe if y'all new, man. Like I said, next video will be me getting it braided, and then I'm gonna do a vlog when I take flight, you know. So you know your boy gonna be fresh. You know, I'm gonna show y'all the whole fit. Make sure y'all follow my Instagram. It's below. DM me them questions, man. Let's get it.